There we are. So I've made a flipbook of that simulation. Again, didn't take too long. Could probably push the resolution a bit more, but I have to keep in mind that we're going to be kind of layering a lot of things on top of each other. So, but yeah, it's looking nice. A bit more movement now. I like it's kind of rising up a little bit in the middle there. And just kind of filling the space, we got some, not just a solid blob, but it's a bit less animated than the other one, I suppose. Is it's just kind of, you imagine, in big destructions, you get that kind of, the whole, everything just gets filled with dust, so it'll be a kind of subtle layer on top in terms of the render, and then the other layer will be, more dynamic, falling, more movement in it, but then and it follows along nicely with the wind there as well, which looks cool.